So today is a farm day. It is snowing. Supposedly supposed to get 3 to 5 inches.
What?
Yeah, so we're going down to the farm. I don't even know what we're doing. We got all kinds of stuff in the back. We got a fire rock. We got a grill. We got a little bit of everything. That's going down there. So I don't know what we're doing today, really. We're going to the farm. To the farm, we had to stop at Crystal's Diner, get us some good breakfast before some hard work. We're all nice and full now.
Stuff.
Yeah, some good food.
Some good old food.
Back to the farm we go.
We call
We gotta hold it up off the dash.
Bumblebee,
There you go.
baseball, and clown.
Alright, we made it to the farm. So, yeah. There's a little, the roads weren't too bad. It's a little slushy. Well, as I say that as we're sliding, but. Alright, we're gonna do a little grass mowing today. Oh. Maybe some snow blowing. Lights ain't working. They were. I don't know. They went out. I
think the cord wasn't all the way in.
They were like working, sort of.
Yeah, no, they started, my flasher was going boom, 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 real fast. We picked a heck of a day to come unload a grill and a mower.
Yeah, no. Usually a summertime thing.
I'll get her done. We'll be too busy.
I don't know the hat.
It does, it's what Brian said about it, and when I bought it from the guy too.
Yeah.
He told me, he said it's the only thing about it, he said he's tried to adjust it.
Putting this gravel can't be doing that. Yeah, this is all the stuff we got to unload here. We got the truck piled up with all kinds of junk. We got a grill, we got a fire rock, we got some fencing, we got some bolts, we got some concrete, we got some propane. We got a little bit of everything. I tried to bury it under those bags to help kind of keep it from getting snowed on.
I want to work on that side of the barn.
Yeah, that wind is nippy.
Blocked.
At least it's not like negative, or I mean it's decently warm, but that wind is gnarly. Look over here, you mud flap. Look at that.
Oh, this is good snowball stuff.
It is. Yeah. What you doing over here? Making you a snowman? That thing's massive already. This is perfect snow for it.
Show you what a man can do.
Where's his face at?
He ain't got one. It's just snow.
Just snow. No man. He's got
Got a big head like Mark.
He won't be going nowhere for long.
No, not until I tackle him.
I say we gotta run the buggy through it. We're getting our mulch and our concrete unloader right now. We'll put them in here out of the weather. Then we're gonna try to get this big rock out and put some forks on the tractor.
You got it.
I know this tractor will pick it up.
Oh yeah. Oh. Don't scratch your new bed.
Did I?
Probably. Yeah. Took a chunk out of it.
Why are we going in?
Uh-huh. There you go.
I don't know if they pick it up.
You don't think so?
It's gonna flip the tractor, look.
Yeah. I think you ought to get the big one.
I don't know about that one. It ain't in the air yet, is it?
No, just on this side. It's in the air. I think as soon as you get it off here, it's gonna flip it.
If I can't pick it up there, then I can't pick it up that way.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to find some new gloves. I shouldn't have made a snowman.
Rock's too heavy. Too big for the old Kubota. Oh,
What?
the patio.
I didn't come inside. What? How was I supposed to come talk to you? That was your mud. Yeah. He don't believe me that this tractor's gonna flip when he puts this weight on it. It's still not up in the air. You want me to dump the bed or no? Hey, you're not gonna be able to. Are you gonna slam it or what you gonna do? You're still on the edge there. Okay, you're getting ready to come off. Pull forward and curl it down. It's getting ready to pop off. Go down. Where you wanting to go? Both wheels are in the air. Can you move that truck out of the way?
go the opposite.
Your forks are not under it. You only had one fork under there.
Alright, well, we got that rock out of there now, so now we just got to get this this grill out of here.
We'll grab the feet right there and then set it down, and then I'll just do on this. Got it? Yeah. And then just kind of set it there. Come out. There you go.
I think we had to carry it around there.
Oh, wheel came off.
What?
What?
Oh. Looks like they didn't have a cotter key in. One thing I cannot
I had to steal these gloves from your truck.
Okay.
Mine got wet. I built a snowman like a dummy, and I got my gloves.
Built
all
a
wet.
snowman.
Yeah, look at the snowman over there.
All right.
What a dirty snowball.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull my clean hands. I'll pull it from my clean hands. This thing might pull off.
Your wheels can really come off.
Remember?
Oh yeah, hold on.
Oh, then.
It works. It's got heat. Yep.
Did you bring lunch?
Didn't even think about it. I should have.
Come on, Cal.
Look in there and see if it's upside down in there.
There ain't nothing in here.
I'm driving and he ain't gonna give me no room to ride on the cart. I'm kidding. Woo, my back's sticking out. Woman, that coat.
That's why you gotta wear bibs.
No wonder we're going to rock this road.
Yeah, the mud showed through.
Yeah,
Or are you sure that's the road? We might be driving down in the center.
Yeah, looks like you got off the road. See, you caused that too.
Hey, what's on your trail?
It ain't paper. Oh, there's grass on both sides of it.
Not a very wide road to you, but is it? They're just trying to throw you off. He's trying to get his payback.
I will take y'all back.
Better make a video every day I'm gone so I know what's going on.
Keep you updated.
Yeah.
Here you go. Now we got light.
Who's camera?
Pick it.
No, you got it. Here, give me the camera.
I'll belly flop on this too.
Okay. Ready? Yeah.
Okay. Belly flop.
Oh my gosh.
Dead man.
Now we're going in the cabin here to do a little drywall and paint work.
Is this where you and Mom are gonna have a nice dinner?
Don't be videoing my dinner, please. Oh, look, there's Mom. Yes, sweetheart.
Just gotta butter her up.
Nope. It's upstairs up here where the water heater is, and
Yeah.
we're gonna sand a little drywall right here. Do just the final drywall touch-ups. Once I sand them, then all we gotta do is paint them couple spots, and the cabin, almost everything in the cabin's done.
We're in a nice,
It's a big fan spray. It's for insulation.
there's lots of room up here.
What is so funny? I don't want to know what you.
Give me the camera. Give it to me. Turn around, Nick. Turn around. Guys, look what Nick got on his back when he laid down over here. You get a mouse trap on you.
Oh no, you get a mouse box. What is that?
Oh, it stuck to my finger. Oh gosh.
I think that one's done for.
No,
Where was this at?
I don't know. You were laying on it. It's all over your shirt now.
Okay, well, no more laying down. This stuff's gonna wash out real good. What's wrong?
Oh, I think I emptied all the air out of it by accident again. I think it had to be upside down to use it.
Oh, did you shake it?
Yeah.
Sounds like it's working.
Look at there. What are you doing?
I don't know, I was zooming in.
Zooming into my
That's what I
face.
wanted. No possible
I got
way.
boogers or something.
No.
Tell you what, I'm just gonna leave these in. You not want to get that foam on, but that stuff does not clean up.
Permanent.
See, I said that and I get it on my finger and then I get it all over everything. Oh my goodness. I'll take one drop of it.
We good up here?
Yep. We have no more
Now some painting.
mouse. We don't just landscape, we do it all. There we go. Alright. That went on the floor.
It's kind of satisfying.
It is.
Cold, dude.
Get some painting lessons.
No, you don't want them from me. I'm not a bad painter, actually.
That is Bob Ross.
Dad painted our house.
I'd have to be in the mood to want to paint anymore. I used to like to paint, but and I just got where I was impatient with it. Painting's about going slow. Actually,
Well, you're not the one to do it.
Tyler,
Nick, name one thing he does slow. There's got to be something.
I fish.
Yeah, you fish.
I can fish slow.
Yeah.
I fish fast. I can fish slow. That's a mindset.
That's it, ain't it?
That's a wrap. All them little spots are basically gone. Looks a lot better than it did.
We gotta load up anything?
Only thing we got left to do is clean out the paint bucket,
That'll be it.
and that'll be a wrap.
Well, that was our another farm day. Doing everything but landscaping.
Nick tore up the yard.
I did not tear up the yard. It was an accident. Is
It's
that
down in
thing
your
on?
charger.
I don't know. It's brand new.
Oh, you see the green stuff?
Shove it in. It'll be alright.
Do it to your phone. I don't want to break mine. Here we go.
Oh yeah, just shove it in the. Don't shove it in the truck one. Then it'll be permanent weed whack.
Work this here. Hold on. Charge? No. Is it not working?
Liquid detected. What the heck? What does this mean?
I'm bugging.